Welcome back to another video. In today's video is all about how to use banana peels to use it as fertilizer. I've used it, so that's why I'm showing it. Don't try banana peels anymore. Don't throw them. Use them as fertilizer. Cut them and put them in a glass bottle of water, maybe for 24 hours. But I did mine for 1 week. You can do it 24 hours and then water your plants, home plants that are very, very healthy and they'll grow fast. So especially aloe vera. So I'll show you how I do my own, and you can also do your own like that. For those who have garden, you can always use the peels to throw them in your garden like that. Use them as fertilizer because the banana is so rich with calcium, magnesium, potassium, all those. So it also helps a lot to make the plant grow healthy. You can also use banana peels on your face as a face mask. For those who don't know, just mix with avocado together and then use it as face mask on your face. You will not regret that you did, because your face will be looking more softer and younger. So banana peels are very, very healthy. So guys, don't try banana peels anymore. I know some people always try banana peels because they don't know what to do with it. If you have garden, just pack them in your garden. Go and sprinkle it there. You want to grow any plant, you can use it and then pin them in the, put the banana, pin those plants inside, they will grow very fast. And then now you can use it now to transfer to a jar or any other thing that will grow the plants very, very fast. Okay, so this indoor plant that I have, aloe vera, is what I'm using, to grow it, to water it. Is really, really healthy. So thank you guys so much, and I want you to stay tuned to see how the process goes with my aloe vera. Thank you. Bye bye. I want to show you guys. If you want to, when you go through that pills, banana pills, and then you feel you throw it. Some today you will not throw it anymore. You will keep it because it had something to do with it. So stay tuned and watch how I preserve my banana peels. You will take it, have to slice it, put in a container, put water inside, leave it for 1 week. It'll be fermented, and then now I can use it to water my plant. It has the nutrients that it will make the plants to grow very fast. That's people you go and buy fertilizer in the shop to do your plant to grow, but when you use banana peels water, I'm telling you, it grow like magic. So stay tuned, I'll show you how I do it. So I'll put water in this jar, you see. The water I'll put inside the jar. Okay, then I'll put the peels, banana peels, inside the water. Put it inside. I'll cut it into pieces, small pieces, then inside the water. And then I'll close it like that. I'll leave it for 7 days. Then I'll show you how to use it to water your aloe vera plant or any other plant you have in your house. The fertilizer is so natural and it grows plants very fast. So when you try it, don't try banana peels, so guys, don't throw it. Banana peels have a lot of benefits, a lot. I will list them for you. This one is just the one I want to show you how you can use the fertilizer. Those who grow plants in their homes. Again, for aloe vera. For aloe vera, you grow aloe vera very fast. water from banana peels. So try it and come and testify. You can know very well that you have testimony. Even though it take a longer time for you to process everything, but just try it. Use the peels, put them in water, cover the bottle or the jar, keep it for 7 days, then use it to water your plants, and you'll see the result of it. I will show you my own how I'm doing it.